Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to check out this beautiful short natural haircut, and I want you to know that age is not a hindrance to good taste, and age is also not a hindrance when it comes to an attractive look. Today we have this natural haircut for beautiful women because it's just that gentle reminder that getting a flattering cut is always relevant. And this hairstyle is a haircut like this video today. We will draw some kind of hair inspiration and learn how to remain beautiful and graceful through the years. Beautiful matured women these days are really looking elegant with this playful and rejuvenating crop. And one thing about this haircut is that they are really a hairstyle changer because they are style that will suit your face perfectly. Take a good look on this haircut and see how it's just that great haircut for effortless elegance and volume. And don't forget about how trending hair shades, can make you look so smart and make your grey look purposeful. So these are one of the latest natural haircut that is age appropriate. So today in Winnie Styles, we have those beautiful styles that will match your look and make you look so gorgeous this season. They are really a flattering haircut for beautiful matured women. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here in Winnie Styles, and let us know your mind on how you feel about this cut. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.